In this video, I am going to show you how to use Opus Clip for free. Let's get started. First, go to opus.pro in your browser. Click on Sign Up, then sign up using your email or Google account. You do not need to enter a credit card to access the free plan. Once inside the dashboard, upload a long-form video. You can either paste a YouTube link or upload a video file up to 90 minutes long. After uploading, let the AI process your video. Opus Clip will automatically generate short viral style clips. It adds captions, emojis, smart reframing for vertical format, and even gives each clip a virality score. With the free forever plan, you get 60 processing minutes per month, which is roughly 20 short clips depending on length. Exports are available in 1080p, but they will include a watermark. If you need watermark-free exports and more monthly credits, you can upgrade to the starter plan for $15 per month. To maximize your free credits, start by uploading shorter videos. Your processing minutes refresh every month, so you can continue creating new clips regularly. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.